Hello, my name is Vincent, and I have been working in uh ah the like I just say like Unity classes or lessons for I've been
Yeah, you could say I've been working on a Unity project for the Unity course.
Hello, my name is Vincent, and I've been working on a project for this Unity course. So my idea of this project was not from anything else, more of my idea. And the basic concept is you want to escape a building and also fight guards that are in your way of climbing these stories. Uh, I used a couple things inside of my project. One of them are user interfaces. They are like buttons that appear on your screen and maybe even frames that can also be on your screen. Another thing I used was terrain. Terrains have a unique twist to them. They are kind of like realistic, but not fully, making it a more cartoony feel, I guess. And these are some images from my game. This first one is what normally appears on the start of the game. Then there's some showing the terrain that you view outside of your little solitude box. And the box is, well, the level, and some of it does look rather dark because of certain lighting issues. This is another screenshot that I took from my little game, and this is what it kind of looks like when you've exited your little box. Oh wait. Oh,
I think you have to share your screen so you can show us your project.
okay. Um, this is my little project that I've been working on. So there's a couple of things to it. You have a gun, you have and a few things. Your guard that you normally spawn with. Then you can progress through stages. Oh, what happened? Oh wait, never mind. So then you can go up here, and then there's a couple more enemies at this or here instead. So there's a few more. Come down. And it pretty much just gets a bit harder every single story. You can elevate another story, and with this you get a similar room on the third floor with a couple enemies, but instead Baka can play around with. I can shoot around. And then there's also a few other things. And at the final floor, there is a new kind of cubicle guard, which are these yellow things. And they explode. Oh wait, what? Oh, okay. Here they are. They explode. Oh, that was not supposed to happen, but all right. And then the level ends there. Woohoo. Also, this is the death screen. All right. My favorite part about working on my project was designing the terrain that's outside of the little box. The terrain was fun to make because of the different tools it had and the diversity you can create with it. I think if I had more time, then I would think of adding more stories to the building, or maybe another objective that you can complete after you finished. There would probably also be more types of enemies. Thank you. Woohoo.